Mitch Kiter, and along with my colleagues Michael Keevel and Leslie Sowers, we wrote the book Consumer Protection and Mortgage Regulation under Dodd-Frank. The book reviews the critical aspects of the Dodd-Frank Act as it pertains to home finance, mortgage lending, real estate finance itself. It then goes into a detailed commentary of the key provisions of Dodd-Frank that govern mortgage banking. Title 10, the Consumer Financial Protection Act, Title 14, the Mortgage Reform Act, and Title 9, which requires risk retention when mortgage loans are placed into mortgage-backed securities. The Dodd-Frank Act is more than 800 pages. It is complicated, and yet it is all-encompassing as well. It will dramatically change the manner in which we lend for residential housing purposes. It will change many other things as well, but being a mortgage banking attorney in both the primary and secondary mortgage markets, we decided that this act was just a little too much for clients to have to pick up, read in its entirety, try to figure out how things have changed. That was for approximately 250 mortgage banking related regulations to be published between now and 2013. And that's just proposed regulations, which will then have to be finalized. It's complex, and yet it's all important. It goes directly to the American dream. How does one buy a house in the United States? By financing that particular transaction itself. How will they be able to finance that transaction? That will be governed principally by what is said in the Dodd-Frank Act. Anybody who wants or needs to be involved in mortgage banking and mortgage finance would have to be interested in purchasing this particular book. Lawyers, practitioners who deal with real estate finance, obviously. Mortgage banking companies, banks, financial institutions, all involved in the lending process, both business side and the compliance side, should be interested in this particular book. It's a one-stop shop to figure out exactly what's going on and what to anticipate in the future as well. I also think that law schools and law school professors have expressed quite an interest in this particular book, so they have an understanding of how to reshape their classes on real estate law and mortgage banking. This for many, many years to come. There are going to be many changes in the industry. There are over 100 studies that are mandated by the Dodd-Frank Act. As I said, more than 250 regulations relating to mortgage finance alone mandated by this particular act. This will, in fact, provide the information that's necessary to understand what is going to happen, why that is going to happen, and what alternatives exist for both the consumer and the lender.